Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert WordArt in WPS Spreadsheet. If you want to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab, and here you can find really useful settings. One of them is WordArt. We need to click on this one option, on this one arrow, to add some artistic flair to your document using a WordArt text box. We need to click on this one option, and here we can find really different styles. So I recommend you to select one from available options. For example, we can try maybe this one option, this one style. So I select it, and now I will type here a simple text. For example, it is my text. Okay, so how you see it really works. Of course, remember that you can try different types of word art if you want. So if you want to do it, you need to set all text here. And after that, you need to click on this one icon. Then you'll be able to check the preview of the changes. So for example, you can try this one style, you can try this one style, or maybe this one style. So how you see it really works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.